Hi, this is BloomfieldGriller. That's our Pit Boss Kamado. And what's in our Pit Boss Kamado? I'll show you. Tomorrow morning we're gonna smoke this beautiful pork butt. And we've put it in a dry rub, hard-in seasoning from Montgomery, Alabama. And we need a cool storage space to let it rest for tomorrow morning's smoke. And our fridge is full, so I decided to use our Pit Boss as the refrigerated space. So we close the lid and we're going to smoke this tomorrow morning. Stay tuned. 35 degrees outside. Let's get going with that pork butt. Starting the fire, added some applewood chunks. It's going to be a nice fire to smoke our pork butt. Temperature is almost 200 degrees and we're going to put the pork butt in the smoker. Wow, this is a huge pork butt that barely fits into our Pit Boss K24. Well, we'll close the lid. We got a thermometer in there and we're gonna let it smoke for hours. Let's check on the temperature. 250 degrees. Let's check the meat. Oh, this is starting to look really good. All right, let's check. Ooh, that looks good. Well, we still have half an hour or 45 minutes to go, but this will be really nice. The internal temperature has reached 195 and we're going to check the final product. Ooh, look at it. This is beautiful. Oh, this is awesome. What a beauties. The pork butts have rested for 45 minutes and now specialist Sam is gonna pull it. Let's go, Sam.
All right, let's see how this comes out. Ooh.
That's cool.
Like butter.
Nice.
Thanks.
All
Let's
right.
go ahead and pull it. Take it into a couple big pieces.
What do you think, Sam?
It is smelling delicious, looking delicious.
I like it.
Pulls apart really easily.
How often do you do this per week, Sam?
Probably like once every 25 years or so, Lim. Alright, wow. A lot of meat.
It looks awesome.
Alright, should we start dividing it up?
While I'm shooting this video, I see a message that you're on Instagram already, Sam.
Star in the making.
Yeah. Wow.
Kiki?
Looks great.
And how does it taste?
Awesome.
The bones and this delicious meat. And let me tell you, it tastes so good. Final step of the process, we have the pulled pork and we've made a barbecue sauce out of my favorite book, The Barbecue Bible by Stephen Reichland. And now we put the meat and the barbecue sauce in a skillet. We just warm it and then we'll have dinner. Ready.